Hello, everyone. You are welcome once again to today's lesson. And in today's lesson, with this meeting, we are going to have a very brief one. Okay, my task here is to walk you through the solution to the assignment that was given in our previous words meeting. Okay, and the assignment, we had two questions. These were the questions, question one, question two. So we are going to go through the solution to them. And once you see marks there, then you know that obviously I want you to say it's a marking scheme, sort of. So I want you to mark, okay, yourselves. Then send it to me. I'll go through if there are any, okay, situations which require the use of, a professional touch, then I will do that. But after that, once again, I'll give you opportunity to ask questions. If your presentation is not the same as this and, okay, you are struggling to award marks, okay, you ask questions and I will deal with that. So with that much I do, let's go. The first question, in how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged if vowels must not be together? So not be together, and we know not be together will always give us a certain relation, total minus together, total minus together. So let this be at your fingertips. That's the relation. Okay, so as usual, solution is what you are supposed to write first, which is written here or typed here. Then, okay, you number your solution as well because the question is numbered. So question number one, given permutation. Now, vowels must be together. So as your rough work, you need, sorry, vowels must not be together. But you know that in finding vowels must not be together, you will need vowels must be together. Okay, so you know the plan. At this point, you come and write there for a number of ways. And we are looking at a number of ways of arranging permutations with vowels not together. Will be equal to the total arrangement. So total arrangement, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I think it will be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 factorial. Do you have duplicates? And yes, okay, you have 2 T's. Can you see that? So denominator comes in. So that's it for the total arrangement of what? The word permutations. Then you come to the arrangement with what? Your vowels together. And on that one, you know, you need your rough work. So this room here will be available for your rough work. So the rough work here could have been done here. But in any case, it is still here. You can see. So your vowels should be in bracket and the vowels will be E-U-A-I-O in brackets. So you have 5 word vowels. Then the others will be your consonants. So you, and remember you put them in brackets because in finding together, it will always be the arrangement of your letters considering your restricted objects as a unit, then times the number of ways of arranging the restricted objects themselves. So now if I'm counting, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial. Do you have duplicates? Yes, if you have duplicates, please, this is where you look for your duplicates, not here. So you have 2 T's as well, so over 2 factorial. Then times the number of ways of arranging the restricted object, what you have in brackets, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. Obviously, they are all distinct objects, no duplicates. So it means no denominator. So this is the knot. When you extract or you write B, this will give you B half permutations. Number of ways, when you come and do this, you get M1 and half. Okay, then after that, you know how to simplify this. If you get this right, like I said in our previous meeting, you have no business, okay, getting any of the steps here wrong. So be careful. So with this one, 12 factorial over 2 factorial, you know what to do. Okay, you expand 12 factorial to contain 2 factorial. So that's what you had. Then minus 8 factorial over 2 factorial. Also, you expand 8 factorial to contain 2 factorial. So that's what she did here. Then times 5 factorial, straight away, you write its value there. Okay, then you move on. Okay, you cancel this, you multiply all that you have here, you end up getting this. Okay, you cancel this will cancel, you multiply all that is left, you get this, then times your 120. Now, you come and work on this. Okay, so this step will give you M1. When you work on this, it's just M half, it's just this that you worked on, and it's calculator work. Then after that, your final answer, when you subtract, you get A1. Okay, and this one, we move on to question 2. Find the number of ways, okay, certain people can be seated on a bench if 3 particular people must not sit next to each other. So 3 must not be together. That is sort of, that's the question. So not together always will be total minus together. Okay, so we come to giving 7 people, and I said in terms of people, use strokes to represent your rough work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you put 3 in brackets. So at this point, when you are looking at the total will give you, okay, your n factorial, which is 7 factorial, then minus the number of ways of arranging 7 people with 3 together, and you put a 3 in brackets as your rough work, okay, and the other 4 outside. So you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial. I've told you with people, there will never be denominators. So you don't even ask yourself that question. However, if you still want to ask, but I know that the answer will obviously be no. Okay, no duplicates. Okay, so you come to the number of ways of arranging your restricted object to. So your restricted objects, how many? You have 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 factorial. Somebody wrote 4 factorial, and I don't know where you got your 4 from. Remember, it's what you have in brackets. That will be your restricted object that you are looking for its arrangement. So at this point, calculator work. So 7 factorial, you use your no denominator, so you can use your calculator. Don't expand it. But by writing 7 times, 6 times, no, straight away. You expand it when there's a denominator. Then 5 factorial will be 120, 3 factorial will be 6. So now what do? You come and multiply this and this, which will give you this. Then you subtract, you end up getting this. So question 1, 6 marks. Question 2, 4 marks. So in all, we are supposed to get 10 marks. So please do the needful. Okay, so any questions at this point before I bring the curtain down? Okay, on this particular lesson. Any questions? Okay, so please do the needful, mark and submit what's your work. Okay, so at this point, okay, I would want to say thank you very much and God bless us all.